Texas, November 12, 2022. Two historic military aircraft collided and plummeted to the ground on Saturday at the commemorative Air Force wings over Dallas Air Display, killing 6 people. Video from the site showed the jet's debris scattered across a patch of grass inside the airport's boundaries. No one on the ground was injured, according to the reports. The number of passengers in each aircraft was not disclosed by the authorities, but according to Hank Coates, head of the business that organized the air show, a B-17 Flying Fortress bomber usually carries a crew of 4 to 5 people.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh my God!
Hit the plane, let us plane hit him.
Yes! Oh my God! Oh Lord Jesus!
The other is a single-pilot P-63 Kingcobra fighter aircraft. Around 1:20 p.m., the planes collided and crashed.
What? No!
The massive 4-engine bomber known as the B-17 was a mainstay of American air power during World War II and was deployed in daytime raids against Germany. During the conflict, Soviet forces mostly utilized the American fighter plane known as the Kingcobra. Safety at air shows has long been an issue, particularly with older military aircraft.